Pronounce names.
Is it Cesar, Cesar, or even Kaiser? In this video, we'll find out how this famous name is pronounced around the world. It started in Latin as Kaiser, but every language adds its own twist. Let's explore.
The American pronunciation is
Cesar. Cesar.
The British pronunciation of this name is
Cesar. Cesar.
The French pronunciation of this name is
César. César.
The Spanish pronunciation is
Cesar. Cesar.
The Argentine pronunciation is
Cesar. Cesar.
The Italian pronunciation is
Cesare. Cesare.
The German pronunciation is
Kaiser. Kaiser.
The Portuguese pronunciation is
Cesar. Cesar.
The Brazilian pronunciation is
Cesar. Cesar.
The Swedish pronunciation is
Cesar. Cesar.
The Russian pronunciation of this name is
Cesar. Cesar.
Found this video helpful? Hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Then check out our next videos to learn how to pronounce names people often get wrong. Visit pronouncenames.com to hear the correct pronunciation of even more names.